Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'd like to show you how to replace the manifold support for the middle spray arm on your dishwasher. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to do this repair, we'll first of all open the dishwasher up. We'll remove any items that may be on that upper rack. Then we'll keep the rails out, push the rack back, and we'll need to remove the rack stops on the ends of those rails. To do so, we'll need a small flat blade screwdriver, and we'll go into that slotted opening on that rail from the outside edge. Just gently pry that plastic tab on the rack stop and then slide it out. And be sure to just pry that enough to release that hook and then slide the rack stop off. We'll do the same for the opposite side. Then we'll pull the rack completely out of the dishwasher. You can push the rails back in and close up the door. And then we'll set that on a suitable work surface and we can change out the part. Now, if the support for that manifold is still attached to the rack, you'll need to remove it first. Simply spread those plastic clips. And you'll note one of them straddles the wires on the bottom of that rack. Now, there is a split in that support that will allow you to remove it from the manifold. We can discard the old one. To install the new one, we'll wrap it around the manifold first. Be sure to straddle that wire on the rack first. Push it far enough forward and clip it in place. And now we can put the rack back in the dishwasher. So we'll open the door up. We'll pull the tracks or rails fully forward. And we're going to line up the rear wheels. Fit those into the rails. And the front wheels. Slide the rack all the way to the back, and now we're ready to install our rack stops. Just be sure that we keep the locking tab towards the outside of that rail, and then simply push it all the way on until it snaps in place, and do the same for the opposite side. You can then push the rack back into the dishwasher, close up the door, and your repair is complete.